So we're going to cover the last part of past tense. This time we're going to do 이다 and 아니다 past tense. And then we are going to continue with the future tense. 이다, 아니다. And we know 이다 to be, 아니다 to not be. So 이다 is are, am. 아니다 is not, are not, am not, right? And then also recall when we did 아니다, like 아니에요, present tense, you know how we use the subject particle, 이 or가 아니다, right? So it's not a car. Then we said 차가 아니에요, right? 차가 아니다. It's not a tangerine. 귤이 아니다, 아니에요, right? So we use 이가 아니다. So just have that back of your mind because we have to use 이 and 가 for the past tense also. Okay, so the past tense 이다, noun connector, right? 이에요 and 예요. So you'll be noun goes here. And then 이었, 어요, sound shift 이었어요, right? 이었어요. And then 예요, past tense, noun 였어, 였어요. So if it's tangerine, what would it be? It was tangerine.
콜이 왔어요?
Right, 귤이었어요. Good. Then it was a car. What would it be? It was a car.
차였어요.
Right. 차. Right. 차였어요. Now 아니다. This you need particle. Something something noun 이가 아니었어요. If we want to say it wasn't a tangerine, what would it be?
귤이 아니었어요.
Right. 귤이 아니었어요. It wasn't a car.
차가 아니었어요.
Yes. 차가 아니었어요. Very good. So now let's practice some dialogue. 얼마였어요? So 얼마, how much? 였어요? Was it? How much was it? 얼마였어요? 30만 원이었어요. So one, that's a Korean currency, right? One. 이었어요. Past tense of 이다. So who knows this number? 30만 원. 30만.
The 300,000?
Yes. That's correct. 300,000 won. That's equivalent to how much? US dollar. About. Approximately. So 10만 won was about 100. So 30만 won is about 300. Okay, so next dialogue. 언제 였어요. 언제였어요? So 언제, when 였어요. When was it? Past tense입니다. 였어요. 어제가 아니었어요. 어제가 아니었어요. What does this mean?
It wasn't yesterday.
Yes! 어제가 아니었어요. It wasn't yesterday. Good, good, good. So future tense conjugation first. I am going to cover 3 different conjugation. So first one, when the verb stem ends in a vowel, like 가다 to go, we're gonna use stem, verb stem. From the stem, you add lir. And then add 거예요. 갈 거예요. Will go. Going to go. Okay. Let's do one more. 오다. To come. Using the stem. 오. Add lir. And then add 거예요. 올 거예요. Will come. Going to come. So next one we're gonna do when the verb stem has final consonant 받침. Let's do 좋다. 좋다, to be good. And I used stem, 좋, but we can't add lir, right? Because we already have hit. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna add 을. 좋을, and then the rest is same. 거예요. 좋을 거예요. By the way, quick question. If you want to say this in casual, how would you say? So the casual would be 좋을 거야. Let me just write that. 좋을 거야. 좋을 거예요. So polite form and casual. And then let's do one more. 많다. To be a lot, to be many. 만. Add 을. And then 거예요 after. 많을 거예요. So let's make some sentence. How would you say the coffee will be good?
커피가 좋을 거예요.
아하. 커피가 좋을 거예요. Yes, yes. 커피가 좋을 거예요. Good. How would you say, I will go to my friend's house?
저가 친구의 집에 갈 거예요.
Yes. Yes, perfect. Complete sentence. Good. So, for I, for subject particle, always use 제. Okay? So 제가. For the topic particle, always use 저는. So I am going to go to my friend's house. So 제가 or 저는, and then 친구의, so 의, pronounce 에, possessive, right? 친구의 집에 갈 거예요. And again, is it okay without 제가 or 저는? Yes. So you can just say 친구의 집에 갈 거예요. If it's casual, 친구의 집에 갈 거야. Okay? And then if you want to say as for me, like this is my plan. As for me, then use 저는, right? Because the topic as for. Okay. So last part, future tense for be irregular. 춥다, to be cold. This one a little different. You would drop the be from the stem and just use 추. And then you would add ul. The rest is same. 거예요. 추울 거예요. If you want to say tomorrow will be cold. So I'm comparing today versus tomorrow. So it's ideal to use 내일은 as for tomorrow. 내일은 추울 거예요. Okay. 맵다, to be spicy. This is also be irregular. So conjugation is same. 매, drop the be, add 울 거예요. 매울 거예요. The food will be spicy. 음식이 매울 거예요. casual, 음식이 매울 거야. If you want to say that food will be spicy. 그 음식이 매울 거야. Okay. Alright, so we're done. We covered everything.